And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 86. And let me show you how we can invert colors. Let me first copy the original. And there is a simple option right here where the adjustment layers are. It's simply called Invert. I'm going to give you an adjustment layer. And there are no properties to adjust. So it's going to look like this. And you can't really play around with the intensity of something. You can also go to Filters, Stylize, and use Solarize. Another one-click option. You can see it goes a little bit in the same direction as I tries to invert some of the colors. You can obviously combine the two. Keep in mind that this Solarize effect is directly applied then to your image. Let us delete both of them, because wouldn't it be nice to have something where we can invert colors and then adjust it manually? Well, we can, but it's a little bit more complex. We need the curves adjustment layer for that. I'll start yet again with the original, then add the curves. Here the properties of the curves. We'll go to the RGB channel, and then we invert these 2 points. And this is actually what the inversion does. It makes all of the bright colors dark and the dark ones bright. And via different shapes of this curve, we can gradually move from this simple inversion to solarization. For example, this one here, an inverted mountain, whatever you want to call that. Or this wave shape. And everything in between can be adjusted via left-click drag. And this is how I could manually achieve the same effect that's somewhere in between the color inversion and the solarization. So again, simple color inversions are these inverted curves. Solarization effects are more like these inverted mountains. And the wave shape, this is somewhat in between. And this is how I can invert colors in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.